Today is Vybz Kartel 45th birthday.
Holiday, world boss day today. One down, that's me.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
So I want to take this moment to say happy birthday to the world boss Vybz Kartel. So may I say, and all of the fans them would encourage you to get in the comment section as well and send him some birthday greetings. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today I have some video lineup for you know what I mean, along with some other stories what I just go mention. And you know, first we're gonna start with Vybz Kartel birthday. So like me say, it's Vybz Kartel birthday, and you know say you might get beer love on social media. So far we see like Spice post him, and me I go show you what Spice post, and me have a comment from him baby mother as well as Nicki Minaj also send him some birthday greetings. So first let's take a look at what Spice post. Here goes.
Be a beat for them. And you can't tell the day I would have to say something, so since as them lock him up, them can't lock up in Vybz. Let me Kartel.
Let me tell you why me say
My bastard, I don't care what they say. Give me a how that Chris Gale.
So along with that video, she had a caption that reads, "You hear what I say? It's a B-Clot Gaza Day. Happy birthday at Vybz Kartel King." I want to know what's the Spice of the Queen of the Dancehall. You see me, I say so, at the King and the Queen. So big up Spice again and big up Vybz Kartel. Now people, you know, like me say, him baby mother make a comment, and this is what she said. "Happy birthday, my husband. Love you," with some heart eyes and some heart emoji. And also, Nicki Minaj tell him happy birthday earlier in the morning, right? She say, "Happy birthday, world boss." So, I will heap more people. There might just few I'm going to pick up. Our upwards are 7,000 comments, I think it was, on his post that he made on his page, right? And I say, big up, you know what I mean, I'm birthday. So, if you don't want, you can head over to Instagram and check out that. And again, like I said, I would encourage you to get in the comment section and just big him up on his birthday, because you don't know him provide music for you. Whether you are like a Gaza fan or not, you know what I mean, we have to hear Vybz Kartel music as Jamaicans. So that's the least we can do, to shout him out, you know what I mean, upon his birthday. So big up on that. Now, next more I talk about Skatta Burrell and Scott Starch, right? So, we don't know Skatta was a producer, like, you know what I mean, earlier on, like, I mean, 2004, 5, and even after that still. But after lately, we know Skatta as a businessman, a promoter, you know what I mean, him and Joe, them put on Reggae Sumfest and those kind of stuff. We see him on TV, on the show them as judge and them thing there. You see me, I said, that's where a lot of people know Skatta for. But we can't forget that Skatta produced one of the biggest rhythm in the history of dancehall, the Coolie Dance rhythm. And, you know, that rhythm, they go international. Little John did a song with Elephant Man pan it, the Juke Girl. You know, we even have Ali G, the man who play Borat, you know, that's another character that him play, Ali G, and him did use that, and a lot of other people use it, you know what I mean. When you go in the comment section and tell me some other people them where they on the Coolie Dance rhythm, right? But people, one telling says Skatta get back in the music because he just got hired by Sobe Entertainment, him and Scott Starch, for find new artists and new talent, and we are talking about dancehall reggae talent, right? I want to know Scott Starch history, right, with music, like them man they responsible for some of the biggest song them on the planet. We are talking about like 50 Cent Candy Shop. We are talking about like PIMP, whole heap of 50 Cent thing them, you know what I mean? Scott Starch, make them beat there. We are talking about the game, we are talking about Jeremiah, we are talking about Nicky Drake, all kind of people we can think of. Scott Starch work with all of them people there. So if you know that we have a legend like this from that hip-hop industry, if we team up with our dancehall legend, Skatta himself, you see what I say? This is going to be great. Now, I can't explain to you and telling you like how them will go about it for find this talent. I only know say if you no follow Skatta page, you know see what me see, because I see him post him and Scott Starch actually in the studio, but them never put no audio upon it, so we don't know exactly what go on. But I'm sure there's gonna be a process where them select who them want to select and how them go about it. Now that no means say if you're an artist and you feel like you have talent, you have to just make this just pass by and say, then now go pick me. There's two things I want to tell you. There's a thing called chance only favor the prepared mind. So if you prepare yourself, might be the chance come. And the thing where people always call luck, it's called opportunity meet preparation. That's really what luck is, right? If you prepare and the opportunity come up, you will get the opportunity, right? So with that being said, artists, you know, gear up, you know, I want to start watch Skatta page and see where I'm going with and watch Scott Starch as well and see how it will go if you don't want to be a part of that, okay? Now people want to talk about Aidonia. Now I know say Aidonia even used to work with Skatta too. Like in an early part-time career, Skatta used to produce Aidonia. You see what I say? So it's kind of ironic how this a story forward. You know what I mean? I like to tell now one. But this don't really have nothing to do with Skatta. This is about Donia and a little bit about Vybz Kartel, right? So a few days ago, we see this post on Pink Wall and them said that Donia get evicted out time house, right? Him and landlord have problem. And if Donia wife got in the comment section and defend it, said that is not true, right? But now, you know, Vybz Kartel being Vybz Kartel and him and Dona have them history, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel took up the opportunity and post this on him story and say, when you is a lukewarm B-class artist for your entire career, it wicked enough, with some laughing emoji, and then him post one next one where say, then oh, it's so hype and still pay rent. Just move back in with your parent, right? So, you know, definitely even though you don't call the name who him did a refer to. And don't know say him did a refer to, because right after that now I don't post a video of him at his house, you know what I mean, dancing to his new song. I'm gonna have piece of that video there for sure. Now I'm gonna play the song tonight, so I might have to cut it short, at least the audio part. But here goes, here's the video.
The floor when we use them flow with them flow. I'm flying, I'm flow. Them I watch with them guy, but me fly, but me flow. On an island, me cool with a nice little boo, with a smile, but so cute and a vibe.
So yeah, people, that's doing a new song that's easy. And with that video here, the caption that say, can the landlord of this property contact me urgently? I've been hearing about you and I need your assistance with an issue. Hashtag bad mind active in haters. Hashtag that's easy. Hashtag go away. So that sound direct, right? It sound like him a respond to what Vybz Kartel say. When me no know, wanna tell me in the comment section what you think, right? But it didn't stop there, people, cause don't make sure say him go up on him story and address. Me no know if him address the fans who him address, but him did say this. Him say, one thing you know about me no use media and controversy if you find song. But in a real life, with my God-given talent, drop bombs upon them head. And him even post another one. And upon that one I know him say niggers who talk too much I wanna can see it for themselves. I'm not gonna really say that, right? So people, you know what I mean, tell me what you think about this, you know what I mean? People always give Donia a hard time, you know what I mean? I feel like no fans give him a hard time. Like, you know, him and the genocide fans him not good, him and the Gaza fans him not good, and I don't know who else. But to me, you know what I mean, Donia a good artist, Donia hold him own over the years. So, you know, it's just kinda set away that him have to deal with this, you know, but it's all up to him if he want to answer to this, because like me personally, if me hear somebody say something and it's not true, it might not bother me that much. And you know them say a wise man once said nothing at all. So it's up to the artist if the artist want to follow this up or not, you know what I mean? Me can't really tell him how to go about it and it's done already, me answer. So people, that's the end of today's video. I'm gonna leave it right there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Remember, say a Gaza Day, a real boss day. So send him some birthday greetings in the comment section. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.